Hedgehogs, and welcome to today's maths. So you had to start off, didn't you, by sharing 8 objects into 4 equal groups. So I'm going to do that now, and you can check that you've got the same answer as me. So here are my 4 equal groups, and I'm going to do one for you, one for you, one for you, and one for you until they've all got one, and then we start again doing the same. One for you, one for you, one for you, and one for you. So I can see that each group has exactly the same. Each group has 2 in it. So when I share 8 into 4 equal groups, each group has 2, and they've all got exactly the same, so we know that that is fair. Okay, this week we're looking at measuring length, aren't we? And we said that length is from one end of an object all the way to the other. It's not the same as height, which goes up into the air. That's how tall something is. And we're going to use non-standard measure, so that could be something, anything from around your house, but it just has to make sure that the objects are exactly the same size. So today I'm going to use pieces of pasta on the screen. All the pieces of pasta are the same size. I've not used spaghetti because they often snap and then are different sizes, so I wouldn't be measuring them equally. So I'm going to start off by putting them at what I think is into size order from shortest to longest. I think that this yellow and pink snake is definitely the longest, and this yellow and pink snake is the shortest. So I'm going to put that one in the middle and line them all up. Okay, right, now I'm going to have a go at measuring my shortest snake first. And that one is about 1 piece of pasta long. So I'll put a number 1. Then I'm going to measure my middle snake. Making sure I start at one end. 2. Oh, that one's 3 pieces of pasta long. So I'll do a number 3. And I'll do what I think is my longest snake. So I start at one end of my snake. Make sure I've got its head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces of pasta long. So I've made sure I line my pasta up next to each other, and I start at the head and I measure all the way to the very tip of the tail. So I've measured the whole length of the object, and I can see that I was right when I put them in order from shortest to longest, because the one I said was the shortest snake was only 1 piece of pasta long, and the one I said was the longest snake was 5 pieces of pasta long, and 5 is definitely bigger than 1. So this snake is longer than the shortest snake, and the middle snake was 3 pieces of pasta long. Okay, so head back to today's website now for your measuring activity.